questions run wild, but I know the way.
Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. So here is how you can create AI or animations in Canva, just like this one that you just watched. So first of all, you will go over to your Canva app, and on your Canva app you click on this place where they say video. And when you click on, so just go ahead and click on this landscape place where they say video and allow it to load. When it's done loading, click on the plus button and let's give it time to also load. Now we'll start our work. Yes, now we'll have a plain sheet. We'll just scroll over and look for any background. So I'll just pick up this background here, and I'll add it and rescale it. So I'll rescale it to fill in the template for YouTube video, which is 1920 by 1080. So after I'm done with that, I'll go over to this place, click on element and type in video of a house. After I'm done, I'll click on this one that I just see, and then I'll rescale it to the preference or to the size I want it. So what we are trying to do is to make it look realistic. Yes, we're trying to make it look realistic. So after I'm done with that, I'll go ahead in my element again. So I'll go again and look for different houses. Yes, different houses, because what we are trying to do is we are trying to create a community where people are passing, you know, just a busy day. So when I just click on this one, I will rescale it again to fit the preference and the template that we are trying to work with. So let me just go ahead and pick different varieties of houses, and let's just do the work, trying to make it fit in. So after I'm done with this, I'll go over to element again, and then this time around I'll type in someone walking. Yes, I want to add people walking to make it look like the one that you just watched. So I'll just go ahead and type in someone walking, and after I'm done with that, I'll go ahead and choose anyone that suits my preference. So let me just wait for these ones to load and see what it gets. So okay, after it's done loading, I'll go ahead and choose this woman with an umbrella walking steadily. Yes, I'll go ahead and choose this woman. So I'll go ahead to make it look more realistic again. I'll choose one more image. So I'll scroll down, and let me just look for one more image that will make it look more realistic. Okay, after I'm done, I'll just click on this guy reading book and walking. I'll just click on it. So after I'm done adding it, I don't like the way it's facing. I want it to face the other way around. So I'll click on flip and click on horizontal. Yes, click on flip and click on horizontal to give you that feel. So as you can see, you see that this image is just marking time. It's not moving. It's just static. It's just marking time. So what I'll just do is I'll rescale the both of them to fit in, and then I'll scroll over to animations. I will go down to this place where they say create, click on that to make it move. So what we are trying to do is that we are trying to make the image move. So I'll just drag that image a bit and be dragging it with my hand and be moving, so that it will give it that working effect. So after I'm done, look at it. As I'm dragging it, it's moving. As I'm dragging it, it's moving. As I'm dragging it, it's moving. So that's what I'll do for the both of the images. After I'm done with that, to make it more smooth, I'll just go ahead and click on steady to give it that working effect, to make it steady and look like it's working real. So I'll just click on steady. So I'll go ahead and do the same thing for this guy walking. I'll just click on animate and scroll to create, and I'll click on that, and then I'll drag the image. Yes, so I'll drag the image to make it look like it's walking. If I drag it upward, and I'll drag it downward a little, just to give it that walking effect. I don't know if you guys are understanding what I'm saying. So after I'm done with this, I'll just go ahead and click on smooth to give it that smooth walking, to make it look like the person is walking real life. So guys, I would like to use this opportunity to ask you to please subscribe if you haven't. The plan is to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the month. So let's go ahead and click on the plus button to add another page, another layer to this. So we are done creating the first one. So we have click on this white background on the plus icon to create another image. So let's go ahead and start fixing up things just like we did in the first one. So go ahead and choose this background again. After we are done with that, we'll start adding buildings. Yes, after we are done with that, we'll start adding buildings. So let's just go ahead and pick up the element. So for you to get any element, the graphics that you're looking for, you just have to click on this tab, this place where they say elements, and then key in, just like you writing prompt in any AI generation platform. You just write in the prompts. If it's someone that is working, you type on someone that is working. If it's a tree, type a tree. If it's a car, type a car. If anything, just anything that you want at all to add to the background. If it is water, add water. Just make sure that you are trying to be as realistic as possible. So let's just go ahead and do some touches to this. So if in, let's say peradventure, you want to add more page, you just click on the plus icon down there, and more page will add up depending on how many minutes long worth of content that you're trying to create. You are free to add up all to 10 pages. So lest I forget, there is this song that was playing in the beginning of this video, so if you want me to do a detailed tutorial on how you can create that music is actually free. I own the right to that music. I used an AI generating platform to generate those music. So if you want me to do a detailed tutorial on how to get that song, or how to generate the song, and the name of the AI and the processes involved, then put it in the comment section below. So I'll go ahead and add this woman walking. So what I want to create is that I want to show that the woman is coming back while the guy is just going up. Do you understand? In an environment, the scene I'm trying to create here is like a scene for a busy day, like what a busy day looks like. You understand? So I'll be posting this on TikTok. I'll be posting it with the title "A Busy Day in Lagos." So just please I'll link my TikTok account here, the one I opened with the international TikTok account. I'll link it here, or I'll put it in the description box. Please go and follow me on that page, and let's grow together. So let me just do some finishing touches to these images. Now, another quick tip for generating this kind of perfect image just like this one: make sure that the graphics, like the person is on motion, like the person is moving. Depending on the kind of theme you want to create, I feel like the person moving will make it more realistic. Do you understand? I don't know if you guys are understanding what I'm doing here, but if you don't understand, I will still redo this video with another video self. I'll be teaching you how you can use yourself, any image of your choice, any video of your choice, to create animation here on Canva. Yes, any video, any animation of your choice using your own particular video. So I'll just go ahead and type in birds. I'll look for birds flying. So I'll add this bird and then drag it the same way. I'll just animate it the same way I animated others. So for me to arrange all this, I'll just click on this place and then click on layers. Yes, I'll arrange it so that it will look more realistic. So I'll just click on layers. You can see that everything is now okay, just the way I wanted it. So I'll just go ahead and arrange all of them, make the motion steady, drag everything and make sure that it's looking smooth. So for you to be able to arrange everything and make them, like, go to this place and then swipe and look for this place where they say layer. Yes, go and swipe on this place where they say layer, and you will see that everything is just arranged. You can just feel free to arrange it to your preference. As you can see, the birds, everything is just flying. So even if you want, you can just copy any image that you want and add it to another page. So this is the final result of our work. As you can see, a busy day. So this is it, and you can see this one also. This lady is walking, this one is answering call, this one is delivering man, the birds are flying, the cars are passing, this one is doing sports. So please just don't forget to do what? To subscribe. So click on this place to continue and watch my next video.